What is going on, guys? My name is Jorge and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Oh my goodness, see me squinting? Yes, that's right. It is finally sunny in Houston for once. Oh, it's amazing. We're about a week later and it's dry. It's finally dry and it is Friday, and that means it is track day. So today we will be getting the G8 on the track, and this time it looks like we'll have some good weather. So it's nice, steamy, hot, very humid, so can't really expect too much, but we shouldn't have any issues with the rain. So that's where we'll be at tonight, guys. Hopefully we can run some good times and everything goes well. I don't break anything. But in the meantime, let me give you guys a nice cold startup of the G8. Woo! What do you guys think? Now that sounds amazing. Woo! Gets me every time. Alright guys, so like I said, the weather's finally good and we are on our way to the track. So hopefully everything goes well on the way over there and there isn't a lot of people so that we can get some runs. So alright guys, we are at the track and I am letting this thing cool down. Hopefully it runs good. The weather is perfect, so we ain't got nothing to worry about there. So hopefully everything goes well and the car runs, fingers crossed, a low 11, maybe even a high 10. So hopefully that works out. I'm gonna let it cool down and then we'll run into stages. I also actually brought the SS. So I've got the SS. I've got both of the cars here. Now the SS is completely stock. That one I have not done a single thing to, and I'm just gonna run it. My cousin brought it.
Alright, we're gonna be down for
we're gonna be trying it out.
We get them tucked away,
see what it'll run bone stock.
So great time to come over here to the Hot Rod Cafe. Get something good to eat, get you something cold to drink.
Alright guys, so we're going into the staging lanes and hopefully run a good time. We'll see how this goes. There's a lot of cars and there's actually a little line, so hopefully we'll push the car and let it really cool down to run a good time. Alright, we are in the staging lanes. Look at that nice ZR1, brand new from New Jersey. Oof. Not that many cars out, so we'll let this car cool down and see what it'll run. Alright guys, so first pass in the G8. Hopefully everything goes well and we run a good time. We'll see. Hopefully everything goes well and we run a really good time here. All the cars have been running a little slower than normal, so we'll see what we get. We'll see what we run, guys. It's always nervous doing the very first run, that's for sure, but once you get it out of the way, you're good to go after that. Try to get the tires nice and warmed up here. Hopefully we can get them sticky enough. So that felt so much better. That felt very, very good. I didn't feel the car kind of drop off or anything like that. So hopefully it ran really well. We'll see. Whew, that was, wow. Okay, all right guys, so I just ran the G8 and it ran the exact same thing, an 11.6 at 115, so actually a little less. And I looked over the logs and still running into the same issue. Boost has stayed a lot better. It didn't drop down to 4, but it's only about 8 or 9 pound boost. So we definitely need to pulley that thing up and get it up even higher. But now I'm gonna run my SS and see what that'll do. So I'm gonna run the SS and get it on. And
oh, there's a photo opportunity.
Granted, the SS is stock, so I don't expect too much from it, but I will be data logging it and doing what I got to do to try to get some information and maybe start slowly tuning this thing and get better and better. But as far as the G8 goes, I just need to swap out the pulley, get some more boost. We'll get Pat G to give us a revision, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. So here on the staging lane, running the Chevrolet SS. This thing is bone stock. I haven't done a single thing to it, no intake, no anything, so this will be a baseline of what the car can do. Not really worried about the quarter-mile time, really want to just see what the mile per hour is on this thing. I'm going to be data logging it, so hopefully that'll give me some good information and I can maybe do something to it on my own. Maybe get some nice little stuff going on for it. So look forward to it. That was so much different than the G8. This definitely is a lot slower, guys. But it's good to, you know, get some good data log and kind of see what this thing really did. Well, guys, the SS sitting at idle and stopped at the staging lanes, waiting for all these cars to go by. Just the IATs kept climbing up and up and up.
Walk it, talk
so
get the line ready to
the IATs were up in the 160s, 140s,
and
and
that other young man walking down there.
It still ran a 13.8, so 13.8 at 101. Not bad for a stock car. Not bad for a stock car. Well, guys, we're done here. Obviously, I need to up the boost on this thing,
make sure it gets
and the SS needs a tune. But other than that, it was a good day. You know, nothing broke, so that's always a plus when nothing breaks. So I'll see you guys back at the house.